Think your Windows PC might have a virus or suspicious file? You can check it using the built-in Windows Security app. In this guide, I'll show you how to run a quick scan, choose other scan types, and review the results. First, open Windows Security from the Start menu, then select Virus and Threat Protection. This is the main area for scanning your computer with Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Under Current Threats, look for the Quick Scan button and select it. Windows will check common areas where threats are most likely to be found. The scan can take a few minutes, and you can continue using your computer while it runs. If you need a deeper check, select Scan Options. Here, Windows Security may provide several choices, including Quick Scan, Full Scan, Custom Scan, and Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. A full scan checks files and running programs across your system, while a custom scan lets you choose a specific location. For a more thorough check, select Full Scan and choose Scan Now. This can take considerably longer because Windows examines much more of your system. So if you're doing a routine check, a quick scan is usually more convenient, while a full scan is useful when you want a deeper inspection. When the scan finishes, Windows Security will show whether any threats were found. If everything is clear, you'll see that no current threats were detected. If Windows identifies a threat, open the result and review the recommended action before deciding what to do. You can also open Protection History to review previous detections and actions. This is helpful if Windows has already blocked, quarantined, or removed something suspicious. If you don't recognize a file, avoid restoring or allowing it unless you're confident it's safe. If you suspect a particularly persistent threat, Microsoft Defender Offline can scan your PC after restarting Windows. Save your work first, because the computer will restart during the process. This option can help detect threats that are difficult to remove while Windows is running. And that's how to run a virus scan with Windows Security. Start with a quick scan, use a full scan for a deeper check, and review protection history when needed. Keeping Windows and Defender updated also helps maintain your PC's protection.